Hello everyone and welcome back to Online Arabic course. Today we are going to learn about how to use in Arabic language will be able to. So let's get started. In previous videos I have talked about am, is, are plus able to and was, were plus able to in Arabic language. The links are in the description as well as in I button. And this is the third one in which we'll learn about using of will be able to in Arabic language. For example, I will be able to go. I will be able to go. Listen carefully. I will be able to go. Translating this sentence in Arabic language, we will add only sin or sawfa just before the al-fi'l al-muzari. And I will be able to go in this sentence, al-fi'l al-muzari is astati'u, which means I am able to. Astati'u, I am able to. Now we'll add sin or safa before astati'u. So it would be sa'astati'u or sawfa astati'u. Then it will give the meaning of I'll be able to. Sa'astati'u or sawfa astati'u, I will be able to. So I will be able to go, sa'astati'u al-zahab or sawfa astati'u al-zahab. Now we will see how to translate I will be able to with different Arabic verbs. No one will be able to take it from me. No one will be able to take it from me. No one, la ahada. No one means la ahada. Do you know what kind of la is this? Let me explain briefly about this la because it will help you to understand this text. La. This la is called in Arabic la an-nafiya lil jins. La an-nafiya lil jins, which literally means the la that negates the genus, or the la that denotes the negations of the class. But the construction is pretty simple. We just take la and then a singular indefinite noun which always takes a mansoob case ending with a single fatha, like la ahada. And there are many examples like la hajata, no need, la shay'a, nothing, la hawla wa la quwwata. I hope you got it. So no one means la ahada. Will be able to. Will be able to means sayastati'u, to take. To take, akhaza ya'khuzu akhzan means to take. To take it, akhzahu. From me, minni. To take it from me, akhzahu minni. No one will be able to take it from me. La ahada sayastati'u akhzahu minni. La ahada sayastati'u akhzahu minni. The next generation will be able to synthesize everything. The next generation will be able to synthesize everything. The next generation means al-jayl al-qadim, will be able to. Sawfa yatamakkanu min. Sawfa yatamakkanu min, will be able to synthesize. Jamma'a yujammi'u tajmi'an means to synthesize. To synthesize everything. Tajmi'u kulli shay. The next generation will be able to synthesize everything. سوف يتمكن الجيل القادم من تجميع كل شيء. I'm sure I'll be able to finish this work within 2 days. I'm sure. أنا متأكد. I'm sure means أنا متأكد. I have created a separate video on how to say I'm sure in Arabic language with 4 ways. You can find this video in I button and in description also. I'll be able to means سأكون قادرا على. I'll be able to سأكون قادرا على. To finish, إنهاء. أنهى ينهي إنهاء means to finish this work. هذا العمل. To finish this work. إنهاء هذا العمل. Within 2 days. Within خلال 2 days يومين. Within 2 days خلال يومين. To finish this work within 2 days. إنهاء هذا العمل خلال يومين. I'll be able to finish this work within 2 days. سأكون قادرا على إنهاء هذا العمل خلال يومين. I'm sure I'll be able to finish this work within 2 days. أنا متأكد أنني سأكون قادرا على إنهاء هذا العمل خلال يومين. أنا متأكد أنني سأكون قادرا على إنهاء هذا العمل خلال يومين. And now the exercise time. I'll give you some sentences to translate and to leave in the comment box. سأكون قادرا على المجيء هنا. سوف أتمكن من تجميع كل شيء.
And finally, if you really want to learn Arabic language, must follow us on different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. You will find there also some new things related Arabic language. Links in description. And like the video and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.